Hi, this is Lars Pearson here with MarineMax and Ship Bottom, and I'm standing on the 2022 175 Sport Dorado. Great dual console here, great for running around the bay. It's got an excellent ride for a 17-foot boat. Right here I'm at the helm. You got your controls here, your Yamaha gauges. Nice fusion radio down there. You can see here you got two nice loungers on this boat. This boat for 17 feet's got a lot of seating space. And under these, there's actually storage as well. Insulated and will drain. Got a bow lounge right here. Flip up under here, got large storage space, and there's your anchor light. The bow here you have anchor locker, flip up cleats, bow rail, and rod holder, cup holders. Got two captain's chairs. They do swivel and adjust as well on this port side. You also get a glove compartment here, and then two seats in the back as well with storage. Got bilge access, 90 Yamaha, and your ski tow board. This boat is also equipped with a bimini top that's wrapped up right now. Again, this was the 2022 Scout 175 Dorado here at MarineMax and Ship Bottom. Give us a call at 609-207-3325. Thanks.